This is the second scenario of the showcase, where Ryu and the monitoring module allow to monitor the overall traffic between the Xi-Fi node in order to trigger a bandwidth-on-demand request. The setup of this demo includes a DevStack instance with all OpenStack components with Ryu in the same server. In this setup, only one VM has been started. This VM is connected with a router for the communication with the outside. The router IP is 10.0.0.1. Here we can see that Ryu has been started with OpenStack. We can also notice that the monitoring module has been started into Ryu. The monitoring module is referenced by the Xi-Fi application. To register an alarm with the monitoring module, we need some details about the OpenVSwitch configuration, the data path ID of the OpenVSwitch, and the port number of the port connected to the router. Here we have the data path ID of the bare int OpenVSwitch. We need to convert it from hexadecimal to decimal. We now need to figure out which port is connected to the router. There are 3 ports, the first one for the VM and the other for the router and the DHCP server. We will send traffic from the VM to the router to reproduce inter-Xi-Fi node communication. If we look at the ID of the router interface, we can figure out which port of the OpenVSwitch is connected to the router. If we look at the port number of the bare int OpenVSwitch, we can see that the router is connected to the port number 2. To connect to the router, we need to go to its namespace. If we look at the interface, we can see that the 10.0.0.1 IP is there. Now we start iPerf to receive the traffic that we will send from the VM. Here is the console of the VM. And here is the console of another server where OpenNAS is running. We will now register an alarm thanks to the REST API of the monitoring module. This request contains the detail of the REST API of OpenNAS that will receive the alarm, and the data path ID and port number of the interface that we will monitor. Once the request is done, we can see that Ryu has really recorded the alarm. We will now start a script that will emulate the REST API of OpenStack to receive the alarm. We have registered an alarm for 2 megabytes per second. If we send traffic at 10 megabits per second, there should be no alarm. Nothing received at OpenNAS, and no activity into Ryu 2. If we now send 20 megabits per second, there should be an alarm. We can see the alarm well received in OpenNAS and the log of the alarm into Ryu. Once the traffic has finished, we will see that the alarms are not sent anymore. we will now unregister the alarm. If we send the same traffic at 20 megabits per second, we can see that no alarm are received and also no activity into Rio.